Hi, welcome to Eckhart Public Library's art demonstration today. My name is Miss Kieran and I am here today to show you a piece of art by a man named Henri Matisse. He was a French artist and he loved to make collages. And so that's the type of project we're going to do today. So let me show you Henri's famous snail. This is a huge collage. It is made up of Henri cutting out pieces of colored painted paper and putting them together to make a design. And so, can you see the snail in our picture here? Maybe this is the snail's antenna, curved shells, or yeah, it's kind of hard to imagine. This is called abstract art. So you kind of have to use your imagination a little bit to see the snail. So we're going to create a collage today and inspired by Henri. And I made a collage myself yesterday and it looks like this. And we're going to do something similar to this, but not exactly, because I want you to use your imagination to create your own piece of art. So I hope you were able to pick up your Art to Go kit because it contains all the supplies that you need in order to make this project today. The only other supply that you will need from home is a pair of scissors. Now, there are two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both ways to make our collage, and you have enough supplies in your Art to Go kit in order to make two. So maybe you can try each one. All right, we're going to get started now. I'm going to take one of my pieces of tag board, and that's going to be my background. I'm going to be gluing my pattern figures on top of this to make a collage. I'm going to start with my pattern pieces. I kind of did a little thinking ahead of time, and I thought I might want to create a piece of art using the stars and the crescent moon, and I might see, maybe I like this star on this page too. So maybe I can use the big star, the little star, and the crescent moon. So first I have to cut out my pattern piece. So now I'm going to lay my piece on my paper. I chose the yellow and I'm going to trace around it. I'm going to move on to my next piece. My next piece is going to be the big star. All right. There we go. Let's see if I have three. There they are. And now here's the creative part. So I've got my shapes that I want to use, and now I have to arrange them on the paper so that it looks pleasing to me. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's just whatever looks good to your eye. All right, so I'm going to start with my stars. I'm just going to lay those on here, kind of spread them out, kind of remind me of stars in the sky. This one here. I'll put it over here. Maybe like that. I think I kind of like that. All right, now I have to glue them down. All right, there's my artwork right here. All right, so that was my first piece of artwork. Second piece of artwork that you can create using Henri Matisse as your inspiration. This is even a little more creative because instead of tracing the shapes that I have already cut out, I am going to just create using the paper and my scissors. And this is more of what Matisse did. He liked to cut shapes out of paper. So let's see. I'm going to just let my scissors kind of do the cutting and see where it goes. hold this up and look at it. Wonder what I could call this painting or this collage. Maybe it could be called Summer Storm or Lightning Bolt. That was fun. Thank you, Henri Matisse, for inspiring our artwork today. Make sure you tune in next Tuesday for another live story time, and we will talk about another artist. Bye. Have a great week.